Hey everyone, Micah here from Cali Raised LED. We've got a bunch of new accessory mounts coming out. I'm going to show you today how our new high lift roof rack mount works. All right, so this is super easy to put together. Basically, you slide your carriage bolt through the bottom. You got your square washer that slides over. Then you take your spacer, slide that over, and your knob. Screw on. I like to get it kind of tight just so the carriage bolt stays up. And then we can go ahead and put it on the roof rack. All right, everyone, that concludes our installation of the high lift roof rack mount. Please visit www.caliraisedled.com and order yours today. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Cali Raised LED content.